What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Crispy and I'm back with another video. And in this video I wanted to go over how to actually load up your KUCOIN account. Alright, KUCOIN is actually a cryptocurrency brokerage, right, where you can actually purchase and hold and also trade cryptocurrencies. Alright, and currently right now I am using this to hold my future 1000x coin. All right, as you guys can see here, I have a balance of $8,652. All right, and this is mainly in this trading account here, and it's of this coin right here, GamCoin GMB. All right, and if you're not familiar with what this coin is, all right, you can definitely do some research about it. All right, and you know, see if you want to tap in. All right, but I just wanted to make this video specifically for a friend who's right now trying to go ahead and purchase his GAM coins. All right, and it's only available on KUCOIN. All right, guys, so first and foremost, what you're gonna have to do is load up your Coinbase account. All right, right now I have actually $100 in my Coinbase account, and what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to click send. All right, and you're gonna want to come to your account. All right, you're gonna want to come to assets, you're gonna want to go to main account. All right, and then what you're gonna want to do here is find out where Bitcoin is, BTC. Okay, so then what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to click deposit. Okay, and this is how you pretty much transfer any coins into any specific brokerage. All right, and then what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to copy this wallet. Okay, this is your deposit wallet. All right, now what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to copy this, and then you're gonna go to your Coinbase account. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and transfer $100. Boom, boom. All right, Bitcoin, continue. Send that $100. All right, I gotta get my verification. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. All right. Boom, and just like that, that's it. All right, guys, that's all you have to do to load up your KUCOIN account. All right, now once you have your KUCOIN account, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to transfer that from your main account to your trading account. All right, and to do so is very, very easy. All right, you're gonna want to basically just come here to assets. All right, and you'll have it in your main account here, and then you're going to want to click transfer, and then you're going to be able to transfer it to your trading account. Once you have it in your trading account, now you can come here and pretty much just trade any coin that you want. All right, let's see here. This KUCOIN stuff is very, very interesting. They have a whole mess of different features and a whole mess of ways you can trade and make money, staking in coins. All right, and all that good stuff. So then what you're gonna want to do is basically just wait for this to load up, and now as you can see here, you can now start trading. All right, I have to input my trading password, all right, which I'll do at another time. And then basically all you have to do is pretty much just find your coins that you're wanting to trade. All right, guys, as you guys can see here, they use trading view. All right, so you know, is going based upon the chart is here. So as you guys can see here, this is an order book. Order books are a little bit different. All right, when you're trading on MT4, you don't necessarily get to see the orders come in and out like this. All right, but this is a very cool way to start trading cryptocurrencies. All right, and let's see here. All right, you're gonna want to come here, and then you're gonna want to type in G and B. All right, boom. All right, now you're on the GMB chart. All right, and then all you have to do, all right, is pretty much come here, and it's gonna allow you to put in your code. And once you put in your code, it's gonna give you the ability to basically put in your order to buy, and you're gonna want to do either market execution or a limit. All right, which will enter you at a specific area on the chart. All right, but I usually do market execution just because you do not want this coin to run away from you. This coin right now is actually valued underneath 1 penny. All right, it's gonna be a very, very strong coin. In a little bit, partners with PayPal and all that stuff has been in discussion. All right, my apologies about the car. I got my windows open. So pretty much all you're gonna want to do is, keep in mind that, look, guys, the volume in the last 24 hours has only been $82,000. That's how much has been traded, and we're up that much. And as you guys can see here, this coin has a full, great potential to reach a penny. And if it reaches a penny, guys, based upon what I have, I'll have around $50,000. So I got into this coin with $1,400, and as you guys can see here, I have around $8,000 right now, and it fluctuates, guys. So tap into this coin. This coin is gonna be, a coin to just watch out for, and it has a potential to do, numbers. All right, guys. So imagine making $50,000 at a penny. Once it gets to 2 cents, I'll have 100,000, and so on and so forth. If I hold this to $1, I have around, I believe, look, almost 5 million coins. All right, so imagine if this coin can go to that. All right, guys, and this is just one account that I have many accounts, different cryptocurrencies. I'm gonna try to tap you guys in and show you guys this lifestyle here of just investing. All right, guys, because I bought in with $1,000, $1,400 maybe a month ago. All right, guys, and this is just something that I'm trying to put you guys on because this coin is still relatively cheap. You guys could get to where I'm at pretty quickly. All right, if you guys hold this coin and just chuck in a few $100s and get a few $1,000 coins, a few thousand coins. All right, so that's all for this video. This is on how to load your KUCOIN. All right, and I have a lot of videos coming, so make sure that you stay tuned. All right, make sure that you get trusted signals. Link is in the description for that. All right, amazing signal indicators. And that's all for this video, guys. Peace.